In today's video, we're going to make a beautiful cinnamon swirl loaf with a little twist of orange just to make it extra special. Begin by placing the bread flour, yeast and caster sugar into a bowl and whisk it together until every ingredient is evenly distributed. Next, add in the cold diced butter and rub it together between your fingertips until it resembles breadcrumbs. Make a well in the centre and set it to one side. Place your milk into a saucepan and heat it through just until it's warm to the touch. It's really important that we don't boil the milk, we just want it warmed through. Pour the warm milk into the flour mixture and then crack in 1 egg. Mix everything together until it forms a dough. And then turn it out onto a workbench and knead it for 5 to 10 minutes until it's silky smooth and looks a little bit shiny on the surface. Form the dough into a nice round shape and place it into a mixing bowl. Cover it with a damp cloth and leave it in a nice warm place for 1 hour or until it's doubled in size. For the filling, mix together the light brown sugar and the cinnamon and then set that to one side and melt your butter in preparation. Turn your proofed dough out onto a workbench and knock out the air. And then roll it out to about 1 centimetre in thickness. Brush over your melted butter and then sprinkle on your sugar and cinnamon mixture. Then we're going to roll it up into a long sausage shape and then we need to cut the dough right down the center long ways to reveal all of those beautiful cinnamon layers. You should be left with 2 strands of dough. We just simply want to twist those together. And then we'll place them into a loaf tin lined with parchment paper. Cover it with a damp cloth and leave it to prove for a further 40 minutes. Bake your cinnamon loaf in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius fan for 40 to 50 minutes until it's nice and golden on top. Remove it from the oven and place it on a cooling rack to cool. While your loaf is cooling down, we're going to make the topping, and for that we simply just need to mix the icing sugar with a couple of teaspoons of orange juice until it forms a thick paste. And drizzle it over the loaf once it's cooled down. You can also just use a spoon to spoon it over. Whatever suits you is absolutely fine. And that's how to make a beautiful cinnamon swirl loaf with a little bit of orange in there just to add a little citrusy note. Now, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.